Hi everyone, want to activate your Nomad eSIM on Android or iPhone? In this quick tutorial, we will show you the easy steps to get connected in no time. The eSIM will be activated automatically once it connects to the local network upon your arrival at the destination. If it does not activate, open the Nomad app to manually activate the eSIM. Additionally, please ensure that data roaming is enabled. Step 1, installing eSIM. Method 1, install using Nomad app. First, install the eSIM if it is not installed yet. Open the Nomad app on your iOS or Android device. Go to the Manage eSIM page. Select the eSIM you want to install. Tap on Installation Instructions. Choose the option to add automatically. Select Install eSIM now and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Method 1. Install using QR code. If you prefer, you can install the eSIM by scanning the QR code received via email, as this is the recommended option by Nomad. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, add cellular plan or add data plan. Scan the QR code provided. If you don't have a second screen, take a screenshot of the QR code from your email or Nomad app. On iOS 17, iPhone 11 and above, you can load the QR code from your camera roll by selecting Open Photos when prompted to scan. For Android devices, Google Pixel, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, tap on SIMs, add more, download a SIM instead, then scan the QR code. Samsung, go to Settings, then Connections, then go to SIM card manager, add mobile plan, then scan the QR code. Step 2, turn on eSIM. How to turn on SIM? It is recommended to turn on the eSIM once reached the destination to avoid additional unwanted data usage. For iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. You should see your Nomad eSIM listed. If it is not enabled, tap on it and toggle the switch to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select SIM card manager or mobile networks. Choose the Nomad eSIM card you want to enable and toggle the switch to turn it on. Step 3, activate the eSIM. How to activate the eSIM? Typically, when you turn on the eSIM, it activates automatically as soon as it connects to the local network. If it doesn't, you can activate it manually. Open Nomad app and log in. Go to Manage page and click Activate button to activate the eSIM. Once activated, check that your eSIM is turned on in your device settings and that it is set as your primary data line if needed. Step 4, turn on data roaming. For iPhones, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, select Cellular Data options, tap on Data Roaming and toggle it to turn it on. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select Mobile Network or SIM card manager, choose the Nomad eSIM you want to enable data roaming for. Find the data roaming option and toggle it to turn it on.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.